In another community, I would prefer to safeguard the woman's name. Let me call her name now Agnes. She was being beaten by one of the brother-in-laws, and the women were not happy about it because they had learnt about the dignity of womanhood from the classes. And because we also collaborate with the International Federation of Women Lawyers who come to the field to educate our women on their rights, the women felt that they should take an action against it. So they reported to their leaders. Their leaders did not seem to do anything. They decided to report to the civil defense. When they reported to the civil defense, the man was arrested. And because the man was arrested, the men now are saying in the community that these women now, they are beginning to be something else. We had better behave ourselves because at the rate they are going, nobody can touch his wife or touch, a woman, because they will just go and report you to the authority and you could be arrested. So this is one of the ways, women have taken, knowing that if they are in the right and their rights are infringed upon, that they have, they can voice it out. They now have a voice to know that they will always get a reprieve.